Hey everyone, and welcome back to the session of Python. In this session, we are going to be writing our first Python code. We will be displaying Hello World on the screen today. I hope you are excited for it. In the last session, we saw the installation of Python, and to start Python on your system, on whatever operating system you are on, just type IDLE and an application will appear called IDLE Python. Just open that. This will start up Python on your system. Here we go. So anything that we write at this point will be our instruction, and by pressing enter we can execute that instruction. Now let's see how can we give computer the instruction to display hello world on the screen. Command to display hello world on the screen. So this is the command that we are going to be using to display hello world on the screen. So if we give this instruction or this command, the Python language processor will show hello world to the screen. Let's check this out. Let's go ahead and type the same command which is written over here. print open bracket double quote HELLO WORLD. This is basically the text that we want to display, and parenthesis or brackets closed. Now let's press enter and see, we did what we wanted to. We have accomplished our goal. What we wanted to do is displaying hello world on the screen, and we just did that. So now how does this command work, right? That's what we have to know here. Let's move on and see. Print open bracket close bracket command in brief. We are going to take a look at the print command very briefly in this session. We will understand about it in some later sessions deeply. For now, we are just going to take a look very briefly. The print command is used to display anything like text, numbers, etc. on the screen. Basically, the print command can be used by us to display anything we want to display on the screen. Like it can be text, it can be numbers, or various other things too. The examples of print command are here as given below. So let's say we have to display 1 on the screen. So we will say print open bracket close bracket and then 1. This will display 1 on the screen. Another example is if we have to display 34, we will see the same thing. Sorry about that. We will do the same thing, but instead of writing 1, we will say 34, and this will display 34 on the screen. Let's say we have to display 76.5. That's a decimal number, and we have to display this. So again, we will just write 76.5 in place of 1 and 34, and this will display 76.5 on the screen. And there can be so many more examples of this. Okay, so we have seen if we have to display numbers, what we can do is we can just say print and then any number like 2, let's say. This just displays 2 on the screen. But what if we have to display a text other than the numbers? Now, will this technique work? Let's say we have to print hello on the screen. Will this work? Print open bracket close brackets and hello. As simple as that, as we did with the numbers. Let's find out. Let's actually just test that in Python. Let's say print open brackets, closed brackets, and inside that HELLO, hello. Oops, we got an error over here. Now what this error is, we will probably understand later, but for now, just understand that this does not work for any text. This system only works for numbers. Like if we say print 1, this will work. If we say print any decimal number like 76.5, this will work also. But the moment we try to display any text like hello, this will throw up an error. Now, why does this happen? Let's see very briefly. Print command for displaying text other than numbers. So obviously we saw this is wrong, and by this I mean this thing, print open brackets, close brackets, hello directly inside of that. So that was wrong. So what's correct? How can we display hello on the screen? Let's see. If we have to display any text on the screen other than numbers, we need to use quotation marks around it. Both single and double quotation marks would work. So the correct command is print open brackets, close brackets, within double quotation marks hello. This is actually the same command. If you notice properly, we have just introduced double quotation marks around hello. We can also use single quotation marks. The thing is, if we have to display any kind of text on the screen, we have to include double quotes and single quotes. Without double quotes and single quotes, we can only display numbers and some certain things. For plain text, we have to use double quotes or single quotes. And without using double quotes or single quotes would throw up an error. Now let's try this thing. Print open brackets, close brackets, within double quotes hello. Let's see if this actually works or not. Print double quotes hello. Okay, so that worked. And now let's test if single quotes work or not. HELLO within single quotes. Okay, so this works as well. We get hello as the output. Okay, that's wonderful. We will understand about print command in some later sessions. This was just the introduction and to show you about how can we write some code or some instruction in Python and execute that. This was just a warm-up session, you can say, or a practice thing to start with. So this is it for the uh, this is it for this session of Python. I hope you understood at least briefly about print command that I discussed. If not, don't worry, you will understand more about it in some later sessions. In the next session, I will probably start talking about variables and functions in brief. So I hope to see you there. Goodbye.